Semrush Site Audit is a powerful tool that helps website owners and digital marketers identify and fix technical and SEO issues on their website. To get the most out of this tool, it is essential to know when to use it. The first step is to understand the purpose of a site audit. A site audit is a comprehensive analysis of a website's technical and SEO aspects, including crawlability, mobile responsiveness, page speed, and content quality. This analysis helps identify issues that can negatively impact a website's search engine rankings and user experience. You should use Semrush Site Audit when you notice a decline in website traffic or search engine rankings. This could be due to various reasons such as algorithm updates, changes in user behavior, or technical issues on your website. By running a site audit, you can identify the root cause of the issue and take corrective action. Another scenario where a site audit is necessary is when you are planning to launch a new website or redesign an existing one. A site audit helps ensure that your website is technically sound and optimized for search engines, which is crucial for driving organic traffic and improving conversion rates. Additionally, a site audit is essential when you are migrating your website to a new platform or changing your domain name. This helps identify potential issues that could arise during the migration process and ensures a smooth transition. To get started with Semrush Site Audit, simply enter your website's URL and select the audit type. You can choose from a variety of audit types, including technical SEO audit, content audit, and backlink audit. The tool will then crawl your website and provide a comprehensive report highlighting issues and recommendations for improvement. Best practices for using Semrush Site Audit include regularly scheduling audits to monitor your website's health and performance, prioritizing issues based on severity and impact, and implementing recommendations to fix identified issues. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your website is always technically sound and optimized for search engines, which is crucial for driving organic traffic and improving conversion rates. In conclusion, Semrush Site Audit is a powerful tool that helps website owners and digital marketers identify and fix technical and SEO issues on their website. By understanding when to use this tool and following best practices, you can ensure that your website is always optimized for search engines and provides a great user experience.